Welcome to my channel, Catherine the Paint. Today we are going to be working with these molds. I've got these two mermaid tails and I have this mermaid tail. Completely different shape. I really like this one. So excited. All right, so the resin I am using today mostly is from Island Micas and More. I have bought two different sets from them. I bought the ocean set that had this ocean color, sand, treasure, waves, Caribbean turquoise, and dry tortugas in it. And then just recently, just got this mermaid set that has mermaid tears, mermaid lagoon, and it's that iridescent that shifts colors. It's so pretty. Those two, and then this one, Mermaid Dreams and Mermaid Kisses. So today I'm using Mermaid Dreams and Mermaid Kisses. And I'm also using this Cobalt Violet from Sakira, which I bought this off of Amazon. It's 24 colors for 20 bucks. So these were the first colors I had ever bought. So I'm using these, but then I'm getting designer colors as I go along. And Island Micas and More are amazing. Look at this little stir stick they have. I haven't used it yet, but I'm going to use it in a few minutes. It's got little hands on the end, and it's silicone, so you just peel the dry resin off of it when you're done. And I got these containers to put my stuff in so I don't have to mess with these bags anymore. And these containers, you can take their labels off and just stick them on here. And it has a spoon in it. How cool is that? So you can just scoop it. So I think it's going to be much easier once I switch to that. But this time, we're just doing it out of the bags. And so what you do with these is you paint them into the inside of the mold. And then you pour your resin, and then it has a shimmer when you are done. So that's what we're going to do today. Today we are using, let's see, where'd it go? Oh yes. This one shimmers purple, so I thought it would be pretty with this Cobalt Violet that I have. And I'm also going to try it with clear, because I don't know, it just sounds like it would be pretty if you just had this and just kind of wispy almost, like almost not there, the mermaid tail, if it's all clear and just this. So I don't know. It's just something I had in my head, so that's what we're gonna do. And then I am doing this Mermaid Dreams with this ocean color. So I think that'll go really good with it. So I'm gonna get the rest of this stuff out of the way. And we will brush these on. So we'll just start here and brush it on. You're gonna wanna make sure you cover all the crevices so that it shines and shows the details of the mermaid's tail. Yeah, I'm cooking dinner. Sorry, the oven's making noise. Just got up to temperature. I do try to keep all the appliances off when I'm filming, but sometimes you gotta cook dinner while you make the art, or you don't get to make the art, because then you just gotta make dinner because people gotta eat. So I am on multitasking. All right. Wow, that is pretty. Can you guys see that? I hope you can see it. I can't see whether you can see it, but okay. Now I'm going to put these two in this one and this one. Good morning. So it has been about 18 hours since I poured these, so they are ready to be demolded. I'm so excited. Can't wait. So you just pop them out gently. Oh, yes, I love the clear one. It is so cool. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh, so pretty. It's got a nice shimmer to it. See if you can see those. I will actually bring the camera down for a close-up after I get these out of here. Whoa. So cool. So, so cool. All right, let me get the camera down here for close-ups. All right, let's go in for a close-up and see this shimmer. Very, very shimmery. This is the Mermaid Kisses from Island Micas and More. This one also has mermaid kisses on it. And this one I just screwed into a keychain, made it a keychain, and this one is Mermaid Dreams. So this is really easy. You just order it from Amazon and you just screw them in. We'll show you what one of these looks like. And there you go. And then you just screw it in. This is the time to do that before it's cured completely. So you want to do it at about 18 hours before 24 for sure. So, and then screw it in and then just let it set and it'll be pretty stable. How cool is that? On the other two, I'm going to put a little magnet. So there we go. Thanks guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.